Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on a South African brand, and I'm going to be talking about a leave-in treatment from Afrobotanics. First impression, absolutely. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I thought about the product, what I think about the product. Also, as I said, very much a first impressions video. I went into Clicks and I was looking for a leave-in conditioner, and I saw this range. This is the Afrobotanics Hemp Seed Oil Hair Reconstructor, and it says it's a daily strengthening leave-in treatment. And I was looking for a leave-in. I know on the packaging it says leave-in treatment, and then I read the instructions and it says that you can leave it in and then style, and I was like, okay, I can use this as a leave-in. Very well aware that it says leave-in treatment, but leave-in was the words that I was kind of leaning towards. So I bought this and I was like, yay, I'm going to use this as a leave-in conditioner. Now, I wouldn't use this as a leave-in conditioner now that I have already used this, simply because of the consistency. Strangely enough, what I love about the product is the consistency. But this has a consistency of a curl activator. If you've ever used the curl activator from Can2, if you've ever used the curl activator from the other Afrobotanics line, which I love, very, very similar consistency. So, it smells amazing. So I would use this more like a refresher than I would a leave-in conditioner. And then I looked and I said, okay, it's a treatment. So it's something that you would use on your hair in the morning to touch up, to add some moisture, more than using it like we would a normal leave-in conditioner. Remember guys, this is just my experience from using the product. I would actually put in a leave-in conditioner while styling my hair, and then this is something that I would add in the morning if I need some moisture, I need to touch up my curls, if I want to just add something in the morning, but I wouldn't put it in the step of a leave-in conditioner. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, and this is just me personally and how I would use this product. But the consistency, it's thick. You can, dilute it a bit with some water if it's too thick for you. My hair loves thick, creamy products, so this is perfect for me. In the morning, I just want to touch it up, add some moisture. It's going to be amazing. So the way that I used it in today's video, I will not use it again. Because it's so thick, it didn't aid detangling. It glided on the hair nicely. It literally melted into my hair very, very nicely. But it didn't give me the slip that I personally would like in a leave-in conditioner when I'm detangling. That is why I would use it in the mornings. So this is also something that would last me a very long time because I'll be using it just to touch up my curls in the morning. If I go back to the instructions, it says apply to dry or wet hair daily, use as a moisturizer on dry, brittle, breaking or color-treated hair. Lock in moisture by applying the Afrobotanics Hemp Seed Strengthening Oil, and then apply the Afrobotanics Hemp Seed Oil Strengthening Butter, then comb, brush or detangle hair before styling or braiding. So for me, I'll stick to the moisturizing part of it. That's how it works better on my hair. Overall, lovely consistency, amazing smell. This for me will sit next to my Can2 Curl Activator Cream and my other Afrobotanics Curl Activator Cream. Those three, amazing.